Well, the Fab Lab it's kind of like a makerspace. It's a big open space with lots of machines. It's a place where we can go to make things and prototype things. We have about 20,000 square feet. We have tools for rapid prototyping, model building,
laser cutting, CNCing, water jet. We have multiple types of 3D printers.
We have 2 ABB robot arms. One of our most expensive pieces of equipment is our Haas vertical mill.
Metal shop, sheet metal, metal machining, thermovac forming. To have all the capabilities under one roof is pretty well unheard of.
Schools across the nation have inquired about how we work and how we've gotten everything set up. I mean, it's just amazing.
What we try to do at UT is integrate software and fabrication in a meaningful way within the curriculum.
First year, first semester, we have freshmen in there using the equipment.
I think what sets the Fab Lab apart from other institutes is not only the machinery, they also have capable personnel that would guide students through a project.
So instead of some workshops where the student may hand off the file, instead the students are in control. But that's not to say that we just throw them in the deep end and sink or swim. We have trained staff and we also have a lot of student workers as well.
In addition to the Fabrication Lab, the workshop, we also have a studio space.
And the reason it's so great to have a studio there is because you can go from talking to your professor at a desk critique to go and 3D print whatever you just talked about.
They can immediately 3D print, they can immediately CNC.
You literally have one of the best resources right there next to you.
One thing that digital technology enables a designer is to investigate a multitude of ideas in a short duration of time. Rapid prototyping enables the student to manifest their ideas quickly and to iterate on the ideas.
You get to explore with all these different technologies and make something completely new.
Digital design fabrication is not secondary to architecture and design in education. It's integral. It's not only optional nowadays, it's necessary.
The Fab Lab is one of the main reasons that I'm here at UT. And I genuinely mean that. No other university is going to have these types of opportunities. The Fab Lab is something that is special and should be regarded as such.